Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. So today I have put together my favorite picks and lip balms for you all. Now I just love lip balms simply because I have dried lips and I need to keep them moisturized and hydrated all day long. And I wear lipsticks pretty much every day, so I need to take care of them. If you're looking for a lip balm for your dried lips, chapped lips or pigmented lips, or simply because you want to have a dash of color on your lips, then this video is perfect for you because I'm gonna show all the lip balms for each and every concern. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you are new here, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell icon right next to that so that you are notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. So my list is not in a particular order, but I am gonna tell you what lip balm is suitable for what lip concern. So firstly, I have got this Himalaya lip balm. This is by Himalaya Lychee Shine Lip Care, and this is 100% natural. It also has vitamin E in it. It is free from preservatives, petroleum jelly, mineral oil and silicones. It is that type of a lip balm which you can easily wear underneath your liquid lipsticks or underneath your matte lipsticks. It is not very waxy. It does not leave any layer on your lips, and this is how it looks. In the tube it looks like it is red in color, but it's a clear lip balm. You can see that. Yes, it is not very extremely hydrating, but it's a light lip balm which you can easily wear underneath your lipsticks, so your lips don't get dry all day long even if you wear liquid lipsticks, because you might already know that liquid lipsticks makes your lips chapped. No matter what liquid lipstick you are applying, it will make your lips dry. So yeah, you can use this lip balm underneath your lipsticks. I do that always, and I just love this lip balm for that purpose. Okay, moving on. This is the lip balm by Nivea. This is their Essential Care lip balm. It is in the blue color tube. It's a very clear lip balm. As you can see, I have used it quite a bit, and also this is not my first tube. I exactly don't remember how many tubes I have gone through this lip balm because it keeps my lips so hydrating. It's a little waxy formula, but I love this lip balm simply because I like to use this lip balm before I'm going to bed at night, and it keeps my lips hydrated all night, and then I wake up with very beautiful and very pink lips. So yeah, I love this one. And the third one which I have is by Body Shop. This is how it looks. This is their Born Lippy lip balm in the variant raspberry. Packaging is very cute. It is in jar form, and here is how the lip balm looks inside the packaging. And this also looks like it has a little color in it, but it's not. It's clear. It is also extremely hydrating on lips. It's a little thick formula. It's not very thin, but yeah, it's a little thick formula, but I love that fact because it keeps my lips hydrated. And yeah, this is the third lip balm. Then the fourth lip balm which I have for you all is this one. This is by Blue Heaven, and look at the packaging, guys. It is in the egg form, and it is so cute. It is so adorable, and I love this packaging. And also when you open this up, then you get this lip balm, and look at the packaging, guys. How cute this looks, and it's very easy to apply on the lips that way. And also the product here don't get contaminated, because in this type of a packaging you need to dip your finger into it, and then you need to apply that lip balm onto your lips. But in this you don't have to use your fingers, you don't have to contaminate the product, and you can apply that lip balm easily on your lips. So this is also that kind of a lip balm which keeps your lips hydrated, and it is also a little thick formula, but I love that fact, as I said before, because I have dried lips. So I need a lip balm which is extremely moisturizing and extremely hydrating on my lips. Also, it is the lip balm in the variant strawberry, and also it is very pocket friendly. I think it's around 75 to 80 rupees, and it's very pocket friendly, it's very budget friendly, and for that amount you get a lot of product inside it. You get around 8 grams of product inside it, and this is a lot for a lip balm, so it's very budget friendly. Moving on, if you like a dash of color on your lips and you're tired of those lipsticks, or if you're not into the lipsticks but you need to try something which adds a hint of color on your lips, then the next lip balm which I'm gonna showcase is very good for you guys. This is the lip balm which I'm talking about. It is by Nivea. It is their Cherry Shine, and the product here is 4.8 grams. Also, it is very convenient and very handy option, and I like to use these kind of lip balms simply because when I'm tired of those liquid lipsticks which makes my lips so dry, I go with these kind of lip balms simply because these kind of lip balms add a dash of color onto my lips. And yeah, this is the lip balm for you all. Moving on, I have another very hydrating option for you all, which is again by Body Shop. This is how it looks. Again, it's in a jar form, and the packaging is in a jar form, and you get total 10 ml of product into this. Also, it's a waxy formula. It's very waxy formula. It is white in color, but I love that fact that it makes my lips so hydrated, so moisturizing, and I like to put this lip balm on my lips again when I'm going to bed at night, simply because it keeps my lips hydrated. So yeah, and I wake up with beautiful lips. So yeah, this is the hydrating option for you all. Then I have my Baby Lips lip balm, and this is how it looks like, and this is their New York limited edition, and this is in the shade Manhattan Mauve, and this is pink in color. And like I said, if you like a dash of color onto your lips, then you will love this lip balm, simply because it's extremely hydrating on the lips, and also it has a really nice pigmentation into it. It has really nice color to it, and it will give a very good color onto your lips, and it will give very good color onto your lips, and also it will keep them moisturized all day long. So I love this lip balm for a dash of color. And yeah, if you don't like this one, then they have a lot of varieties in their Baby Lips range, so you can check them out, and definitely you will find a suitable lip balm for yourself. Then I have this lip balm. This is by Miss Claire, and this is their lip balm conditioner in the variant Strawberry. This is how it looks. So this is also a very lightweight formula. It's not extremely hydrating on the lips, but it comes into play when you want to put something hydrating underneath your liquid lipsticks or underneath your matte lipsticks. Then it comes into play, and it's very lightweight formula, I would say. I just use this lip balm underneath my liquid lipsticks, and I don't feel very dry or very chapped. So yeah, this is the one. Now, if you don't want to have a lip balm, then you can easily go for Vaseline or Borelin or Glycerin. Those three products work beautifully as a lip balm. When I was a teenager, I used to apply Vaseline and Glycerin on my lips, and at night I used to apply Borelin. My mother used to apply Borelin on my lips, and when I used to wake up in the morning, I used to scrub my lips with wet towel or wet cotton cloth, and then my lips used to get turned into very pink and very beautiful lips. So yeah, those were the products you can take into consideration, because those three products work beautifully as a lip balm. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I hope you all like this video. I hope this video was an informative one for you and you found it helpful. If you do, then please hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel, guys. It really means a lot to me. It means world to me. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Stay home, stay safe.